This is the newest addition to the property. It is our Ford 1947 Ford Model 2N tractor. It does not run. We've been in need of a tractor, but getting any tractor that we could find that does run is not in our price range because we really don't have much of a price range. Anyway, this thing needs some work, some quick checks on it. We pulled the breather off. It's all clogged up. If you look inside the base, it's still got the oil sludge in the bottom. It needs a boot, needs fluids changed. The distributor doesn't seem to get any spark, so that's gonna have to be rebuilt. This loader that's on it, this is a Dearborn loader, does not have the bucket, so we're gonna have to decide whether we want to have a bucket built and put on there or learn how to do that, or if we're going to end up removing this from there just to take all the extra weight off. Just lots of work that we're going to have to do to get this thing running, but none of it is like deal breaker level work. It's just some stuff. We got some wiring that needs to be redone. It's pretty rough. It's not really wired correctly down in here, so that's all going to need to be redone as well. But if you know anything about these tractors, the Ford 9N, Ford 2N, Ford 8N tractor, we'd really appreciate any of the feedback, knowledge that you might be able to help us out with. Drop us a comment. Basically, let us know what we can learn from you. Let us know if you're willing to help. Honestly, let us know if you just are going to wish us luck. We'd love to have the comments, feedback. Subscribe if you'd like to keep watching, because I will be posting everything that we learn and everything that we do along the way to this. So if you want to keep up with this, or you want to help us out along the way, just subscribe and watch. That's all it really is looking for right now, because maybe you'll be able to answer us a question along the way. But we look forward to it. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep us moving on this. Thanks.